Hello friends, myself Dr. Kiran K. Prajapati, interventional cardiologist, White Lily Cardiology Clinic, Subhash Bridge, Ahmedabad. Today I will speak regarding heart failure. Heart failure is a condition where heart is not able to pump blood as it should. There are multiple causes of heart failure, mainly diabetes, blood pressure, ischemic heart disease, that is a disease due to decreased blood supply to heart muscles. There are also multiple causes of heart muscle problems, valvular heart disease. All these contribute to heart failure. India is a major hub for diabetes, hypertension as well as ischemic heart disease. So the number of heart failure cases are increasing day by day. The main symptom of the heart failure is a shortness of breath at rest as well as on exertion. Sometimes patient may feel fatigue, weakness as well as a swelling of both the lower limbs. Patient may feel symptoms of palpitation, that is feeling of own heartbeat, as well as chest pain when it is due to ischemic heart disease. Ischemic heart disease is one of the important cause of heart failure that occurs due to blockage of heart vessels due to atherosclerotic block or atherosclerotic plaque that will result in the decreased blood supply of the heart muscle and leading to ischemic heart disease, which will decrease the pumping of heart and leading to heart failure. If anyone having such type of symptom, definitely he or she should be investigated in the form of physical checkup, laboratory investigations to detect the diabetes and other parameters, electrocardiogram, that is ECG, echocardiogram, to rule out the heart muscle problem or valvular problem will help to diagnose heart failure. To treat heart failure, definitely we have to detect the causes of heart failure. As per the advice, we should decrease the intake of salt and water if required, and definite treatment include a definite medicine for heart failure. If heart failure is due to decreased blood supply to heart muscles, patient may require angioplasty or bypass surgery for heart failure. To prevent heart failure, one should be very careful regarding his own health problems like hypertension, diabetes, ischemic heart disease. All those should be properly detected and treated, as well as a regular checkup including physical examination, blood test, as well as and when required ECG and echocardiography will definitely tell you about the problem of heart failure. And by early detection and treatment of these causes, definitely we can prevent heart failure. Thank you.